Hey guys, Ethan here from the Raiinmaker team. Today I'm going to show you how to get started on a Coiin.ai account. Um, so just enter in the URL coiin.ai. If you don't have an account, register an account. Just type your name, email, make a username, password. After that, confirmation link will be sent to that email. So just go over there, navigate it, click it, and it will open up a new tab saying that email has been confirmed. And then you can go ahead and log in again. So once you've logged in, it'll bring you through this overview, the Raiinmaker Network. You can earn coin, stake and burn, validation, sign blocks, and mine coin. There's multipliers, and here's where the multipliers are from the rewards. So entering in KYC, validating transactions and blocks, adding identity factors, staking, connecting other Raiinmaker accounts, and burning. We also have a Coin Network Explorer. So if you ever want to see all the transactions and all the blocks signed across the network, I think it's in the left navigation bar, or you can go to the URL. There's also the Raiinmaker app, which one of the quests and multipliers is to link your Raiinmaker account to the Coiin.ai, and then just to sign off. So after that, it'll bring you to the main dashboard, and here's a little bit more tooltips. So to start earning rewards, you have to go to account and claim a wallet. KYC level 1 is entered in upon creating an account, but entering in KYC level 2 gives you more rewards through a multiplier. So back to the validator nodes, there's a proxy and an independent. The independent is a little bit different. It's actually a script that your computer or desktop or laptop will run, and whenever your computer or laptop or device is on and running, it doesn't even have to be Coin.ai or any program. As long as it's running and on, it'll be signing blocks and yielding you coin. So yeah, those are the nodes. Here are all your stats, network stats, your coin score, which right now there's nothing, but next cycle there will be. So let's go in and claim a wallet. We have different providers to choose from. I'm going to use MetaMask, so I'm going to use Wallet Connect. And I'll follow the steps after this, which is opening up MetaMask and scanning the QR code. Okay, and now I have claimed a wallet. And the next thing to do to start earning rewards is enrolling in a validator node. So the proxy node is pretty simple. Click the button, read the terms of service, and enroll. And now you've set up a proxy validator node. Sorry. Again, the independent node is a little bit different. We're going to have you download the script to run on your device. So we have 3 different options. I guess more than 3 with Linux and other, but once you download it, it's going to generate a public key for you to paste in. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. I already have it on my computer, so I'm just going to override it with the new current version. It's installing, and there's your public key. So it's already been pasted to your clipboard, so all you have to do is go back. I can exit out of that, go back and paste it in. Agree to this terms of service again. And since I've already downloaded the script, I can't use this public key. So I'm just going to deregister this. And then go back to the dashboard, and that's it. now you'll be able to mine rewards or mine coin. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my main Coiin.ai account, and I'm just gonna show you some other things that you can do within the network and how to maximize your rewards. So over here I have all my stats. You can see I have 19,000 staked in my wallet. I've burned 50,000, and then on the right side, this is the overall network. So there's 20 million coins staked in wallets and the total value. Down here we have all the scores that influence how much coin you get each cycle. Identity, economic, validator, behavior. I'll go into a little bit about that later. But now we're going to go ahead and burn. This is how you burn. So up at the top, we have all of the statistics in terms of it. I've already gotten a 719 multiplier to my validator score. I've earned an extra 63,000 and I've burned 50,000. Down below you have the network validator statistics, so the average across the board. And after that you have the burn calculator. So this shows you just how much you might earn based off of the burns. This minimum burn unit is based off of, up at the top, the coin supply every 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes this minimum burn unit is going to change. We have a 2x multiplier active right now since burn before the 6th. Today's the 5th. And yeah, so all you do is just move the slider. You can't enter in an amount since there is a minimum. So it goes into increments of that minimum. So all you do is select an amount, 4,000. These are just testnet alerts, little warning and confirmation, understand, and I'm just not going to do that right now, but that's how you burn. Down at below you have all your burn transaction history with timestamps. Mine are all down there, 25,000, 10,000, 10,000, and yeah, that's how you burn. So next we're going to go into the reward side where it shows you your available rewards, your coins staked. These will be different the first few days after the mining cycle. It just takes a little bit to populate to be available to you. But this asset staked tab is part of one of the quests where we'll give you another multiplier if you claim a wallet with any of those cryptos in it. I don't have any since I only have one wallet, but you have the option to do that. There's achievements with badges, your cycle rewards. So 29-day cycle will give you this report card basically of what your score was, how much you've earned, how much you burned, and your overall network score. So each score has steps in order to increase it. So behaviors, daily logins, completing tasks, and using the products like Raiinmaker Super AI app and Coiin.ai. The identity score is more KYC, so entering in KYC level 2, it's not required, but this will influence your score and give you a multiplier. Adding self-certified factors will also do that. And then using any other applications with identity behavior inside, such as the Raiinmaker app, and more to come. Now the validator score is all about signing blocks. So register proxy independent, signing those blocks every 30 minutes and consistently signing those blocks. So the more you have the device running, signing blocks every 30 minutes, the higher your validator score will be. Same goes with the Raiinmaker app as well. Your economic score has more to do with the coin token and holding it and the frequency. So adding more right now, that won't apply until the TGE. Tokens in app. Right now you can use tokens in the Raiinmaker app to buy the AI credits and use those, so that does influence your economic score, and then low withdrawal frequency. Right now, you can't withdraw. We're still in testnet, but once TGE happens, withdrawing will negatively affect your economic score. And that's the reward section. That's where all your history and all your tasks are. Over here are the quests for the multipliers. Each one of these will add or increase your individual scores and raise your overall network score. So right here, KYC level 2, I've already submitted it and it's been approved. KYC level 1 is done upon signing up. Staking coin, I have that in the balance there. If you're new, it'll be something to do. I've added identity factors such as email and phone number. I've burned coin. I've linked my account. I've claimed a wallet. I've downloaded the Raiinmaker app. I've linked it, and I've registered validator nodes. Right now, we have a 2-time burn, 2 times for the multiplier to the if you burn coin. So those over there. Dapps are coming soon, and connecting social channels are also coming soon. This is where those other multipliers for adding the other wallets. So if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, you can go over here, stake them, and then this will populate. And you'll also get another multiplier as well. Down here, this is the Explorer I was talking about. So if you want to see all of the transactions and all the block hashes across the network, come here. And it has which application it was used for. View all blocks. So yeah, every 30 minutes this will change, populate with new transactions and hashes. So if you want a little bit more information on the network, this is where you would go. So yeah, that's the Coiin.ai console. Thank you for watching. If you have any other, here's the micro. We just added the micro rewards. So every 30 minutes, as long as you've been running and signing and doing things on the network, there will be a small micro reward added to your wallet. I haven't had my computer on for the past 30 minutes, so right now I have none. But yeah, you'll also get a small micro reward every 30 minutes. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just check all the other tutorials that we have.